Hey guys, welcome back to the channel that teaches you how to make PROCREATE brushes. Spring is in full swing, and just as we enter the summer, I've got a brush that will add flair and fun to your lettering and calligraphy, the Skywriting brush. It's a brush that produces a realistic cloud writing stroke that you can use for invites, posters, and art to give you that outdoorsy, relaxed feel for your events or creations. So, let's get started and make this brush. Let's first create our brush shape with a square canvas. I'm using a 3000 by 3000 template. Set the background color to pure black, and draw with pure white. Now, let's create a brush that we'll use to stamp the shape elements we need. So, choose a brush library, and tap on the plus sign to make a new brush. In Stroke Path, set Stroke Property Spacing to max. In Shape, go into the Shape Source library, and choose Cloud Shape from the options. Tap Done twice to save selection. Now go into Apple Pencil, and set Pressure Opacity to None. Finally, in Properties, set Brush Behavior Maximum Size to max. Back in our canvas, with brush size and opacity at full, stamp the center of the canvas, making sure the shape does not go beyond the canvas bounds. You can tap on the Move tool to check this. Reduce brush size if necessary. Now, let's clean up this shape by long tapping on the eraser tool to use the same brush to erase some unwanted elements, like these stray wisps here. Reduce the brush size and start tapping away. The goal is to make it look as compact a puff as possible. When you have something like this, tap on the Move tool, then rotate the shape 45 degrees twice. Then duplicate the shape, tap on the Move tool, and tap Flip Vertical and Flip Horizontal. And that's our brush shape. Let's copy this by swiping down with 3 fingers and choosing Copy All. Now let's use the same brush stamp we created, or you can just create a new brush. In Stroke Path, set Stroke Property Spacing to 15%. In Stabilization, set your preferred streamline settings. In Shape, tap Edit beside Shape Source, tap Import, then choose Paste. Tap Done twice to save shape. Under Shape Behavior, set Scatter to 105% and turn on Randomized. In Dynamics, set Speed Opacity to max. In Apple Pencil, set Pressure Size to 60% or to max if you prefer more pressure sensitivity. Set Pressure Opacity to max and Flow to 30%. Under Tilt, set Opacity to 60%. Finally, in Properties, under Brush Behavior, set Maximum Size to 400%. And with that, you've got a fun and creative way to make your lettering and calligraphy-based art. Let me know what you create by posting them on Instagram with the hashtag MakeThisBrush, or tagging us at MakeThisBrush. Leave a like or comment, subscribe if you haven't, and get notified for future tutorials. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!